So very good morning to all of you children. And I welcome all of you to today's grammar session. Okay. So uh, today we are going to learn about, the consonants, how the consonants have to be linked with the vowels to form. So we know that consonants in today's session, we are going to learn how important vowels and consonants are. Consonants have to be linked with the yes.
And I cannot hear you.
Okay, children, a very good morning to all of you. In today's session, we are going to learn about vowels and consonants. So before we move on to today's session, let's have a short recap on what we have already learned to the previous session. So we are all familiar with the alphabet. Are we not familiar with the alphabet, children? Are we not familiar with the English alphabet? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So we are familiar with all the English alphabet.
Yes.
Yes. So I'll be asking questions. So Alna, come on, tell me how many letters are there in English alphabet?
26.
26 letters are there in English alphabet. So out of the 26 letters, there are few special letters. What are they called? Sai Krishna.
Vowels.
Yes, they are called as vowels. So Alna, yes, Sai Krishna, come on, tell me what are the special letters in English alphabet called? They're called as? Come on, tell me, what are the special letters? Among the 26, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Among the 26 letters, out of these 26 letters, there are few special letters. What are they called? Sai Krishna, once more. What are they called? Yes, what are they called?
Vowels.
Yes, they are called as vowels. How many letters are there? How many letters? 5 letters, like a 5 fingers, there are 5 letters. What are these?
5
What are they?
letters.
E,
E.
E,
I.
I,
U.
O.
A-E-I-O-U.
Yes, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called as vowels. Okay, so they are called as special letters in English alphabet. Okay, A, E, I, O, U.
O-U.
Special letters in English alphabet, and they are called as vowels. I hope it's very clear. So there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Among the 26 letters, there are 5 special letters, and they are called as vowels. So remaining, how many letters are there, Krishnag?
4.
How many letters are there remaining? Out of 5 letters remaining, how many letters are there? Remaining, how many letters are there? Krishna, can you unmute it? Yes.
21.
21. Very good, Krishna. It is 21 letters. So what are they called? What are they called, Krishna? Can you unmute it? What are they called? Come on, Krishna. Can you unmute it? Yes. What are they called? The 21 letters, what are they called? Can you give me the answer? Yes, Elroy?
Consonant.
Yes, consonants. They are called as consonants. What are they called? consonants. So there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of these 26 letters, 5 are vowels. They are the special letters in English alphabet. And the remaining, there are 21 letters and they are called consonants. Okay, so here, what we need to here know is vowels and consonants are very good friends. Okay? Okay, like as you are friends with others, vowels as well as the consonants, they are very good friends. Vowels help consonants for what? To make words. Have all of you understood? Vowels and consonants are very good friends. Vowels help consonants to make words. Okay, can we make words without vowels or without consonants? No, it is impossible. Okay, so vowels and consonants, they help together in making words. Okay, so let's move on to today's session. Are you all ready? Yes, children? Are you all ready? Yes. So we know what our vowels are. Vowels we are familiar with. Once more, look at the screen. It is A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, and the consonants are, these are the consonants, X, Y, and Z. Okay, and this is what we have already completed this exercise in our workbook. So vowels we have already written and the consonants we have completed it. Now we are moving on to, we know that, and now we'll move on to, so as I've already told you in the previous session, consonants have to be linked. Consonants have to be linked with the vowels in order to form words or syllable. Okay, these consonants and vowels are very good friends. Vowels, consonants has to be linked with the vowels in order to make words. Okay? So consonants and the vowels, they help each other to make words. So in this word, you can see it, consonants help vowels to make words. You can see here, D is a consonant, O is a vowel, C is a consonant, again T is a consonant, O is a vowel, and R is a consonant. Okay, so consonant and vowels help each other to make words. So we have to know that in every word. So without vowels, we cannot make words. Okay, even though there are only 5 vowels, so without vowels, we cannot make words. So vowels are very, very important in English alphabet. Okay, so this is what we have seen in the last class. Now let's move on to today's session. So we have already finished with few words here. Okay, so how many words did we finish in the last session? How many words did we finish, children? How many words did we complete?
No words, ma'am.
How many?
No.
Static.
We haven't started?
No.
We haven't started? Okay.
Ma'am.
So let me ask you one more thing. Have you completed with the exercise A? No, no. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Now we'll move on. Okay then. Why means last day I had a session with the other section, so I thought D, I think so I did not have it. Okay then. So we'll move on to. So all of you have a look at it, children. All of you please get ready with your English grammar workbook. Now we'll move on to this exercise, which is there on page number 1. Okay, exercise B. Here we have to know that consonants help vowels to make words. Okay, here what are we supposed to do is, vowels has to be inserted in the appropriate places in order to form a readable word. Okay, so are you all ready? Yes? Yes? Okay, so as we already said, vowels help consonants to make words. So without vowels, we cannot make words. Vowels are very, very important. So in every word, you can see a vowel in it, at least one vowel in it. So vowels are very, very important in English alphabet. In every word, you can see at least one vowel in it. Is that clear to all of you? Is that clear? Yes? Okay then. Fine. Now let's move on to the first. All of you get ready with your workbook. Insert appropriate vowels to make the following words. Let us move on to the first word. Okay? So, first word. Yes, Prithvi, come on, do the first one. Yes, Prithvi, unmute it.
Tell.
Yes, the first one. Yes. Come on, read the word.
Tell.
What is that?
Ma'am, I'm telling the fourth question.
Not fourth question. We'll start from the first one. Okay. So since we have only finished with the 4 questions, we'll find.
F-A-C-E.
Yes, F-A-C-E. So a vowel. Which vowel?
No.
Yes, the letter A has to be inserted there in order to make a word. Okay. So we have to insert letter A in order to make a word. Okay. So all of you do that. All of you take your workbooks, children, and please do write it there in your workbook.
I finished writing for it.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് മതിയത്.
Say, done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. അമ്മ
Have you all finished? Yes. Now we'll move on to the second word. Sai Krishna, come on, Sai Krishna. Come on, move on to the second word there. Here, which letter has to be, which vowel has to be inserted there? Yes.
B-E-N.
B-E-N. So which letter has to be inserted there?
B-E-N.
No. One letter is missing over there.
Oh,
Yes, it is O. Okay. It is O. So it is open. All of you please do write it there. Open, those who haven't completed it. Open. So have you noticed here, vowels are very important. Vowels and consonants are great friends. They help each other in order to make words. Okay. Ananya, come on, we'll move on to the third word now. Ananya?
yes.
Yes. Third word. S-H-T. So,
S-H-O-T.
yes, very good. S-H-O-T, short. Okay? S-H-O-T, short. Okay, Ananya. I hope all of you are writing. Now let's move on to the next person. Sarah, come on, Sarah. Sarah, unmute. Yes, tall.
Tall.
T-A-L-L. So the letter A has to be inserted in order to make a word. Yes. Now let's move on to the next person. Shankar. Come on, Shankar. We'll move on to the next word, Shankar.
Yes.
Yes. All of you please do it during the session itself, children. Yes. Come on, take it.
You are.
What is that? Why? Come on, read the full word. Why?
Y-O-U-R.
dash R.
Okay, so what do you have to write there? Y-O. What you said is right. Come on, say it again. Y-O.
Y-O.
U.
U-R.
Yes, Y-O-U-R. You. Okay, it's right, Shankar. What you said. Yes. Y-O-U-R. You. Please do write it, okay, children? Yes. Alna, come on, Alna. Next word.
M-I-L-K. Milk.
Yes. If there is a printing error in your book, children, in question number 6, you see that you insert an L there. Okay. M-I-L-K. You insert an L there, only then it will become maybe a printing error. So we have to insert I in order to make a word. So it is milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. Okay. M-I-L-K. All of you write it, children. It's just a matter of writing. Yes, Alna, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's move on to the next person. Hamdan, come on, Hamdan. Hamdan. Hamdan, unmute it. Are you able to unmute it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it. Do the 7th word.
Ma'am, I don't have the book.
Okay, you look at the screen and do it. You can do it in your rough book.
Ma'am, you are in 6th number.
Not 6th. 6th we have already finished. 7th number. Okay, 7th one. What we have to do? Come on, Hamdan, read the question. Hamdan is not there? Yes? Okay then. Johan. Hamdan is not there, I think, so I couldn't hear him. Johan? Yes, Johan. Come on, read the 7th word for me.
W-A-S-H.
Yes.
Wash.
Now it's very, very important. So we have to wash our hands. Okay. So in order to, yes. So wash it is. So W-A-S-H. Wash. Very good, Johan. I hope all of you are writing. Nilha, come on, Nilha. Nilha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do the 8th word, Nilha.
Down.
Down, yes. D-O-W-N. Down. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, children, let's move on to the next word. Devash, come on, Devash. Do the next word for me. Read the word.
D.
No, this is the 9th word.
O.
Mm.
P.
O-P-E-N.
Open.
Open. Yes. So please do write it there. O-P-E-N. Open. Okay. Have you all finished? See that you write it now, children. Yes. I hope all of you are writing. We have finished with the 9th word. Now we'll move on to the 10th word. Kevin, come on, Kevin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kevin, come on, do the 10th word for me.
Onion.
Yes, it's not all, union. Okay, how do we pronounce the word, children? It is union. U-N-I-O-N. So which letter has to be inserted there? I. Okay, so in order to make a readable word, the vowel I has to be inserted there. All of you please do it. Union. As you write the word, learn the spelling too, children. It is phase, F-A-C-E. Phase, open, shut, tall, your, milk, wash, down, open, union. Okay. I hope all of you have finished. If you have finished, now let's move on to the 11th word now. Okay, Lemis. Lemis is there? Lemis? Come on, do the 11th word for me. 11th. Yes?
Trees.
Mm. P-E-R.
P-E-R.
Mm.
S. Trees.
Yes dash N. So what do we have to do? Yes dash N. Per. Per. Person. Okay. Person. Yes. Person. So it is O. Person. Okay. All of you please do write that. It is person, children. P-E-R-S-O-N. Person. Person means a people. Okay. For one person, we say it is person. For people means it is plural. Many are there. Person means one person. Yes. Now we'll move on to the next person, that is CRPS. Sia, come on. Sia, do the next word. Yes.
R-U-N-D. S-U-S-O-U-D. U-N-D. ഞാൻ മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്താ പറഞ്ഞേ S-O-U-N-D. കാണല്ലോ സൗണ്ട് സൗണ്ട് കേൾക്കണല്ലോ ക്ലാസ്.
Okay, so, come on. Which letter has to be inserted, children, here? Which letter has to be inserted here? Who can give me the answer? Yes, children, are you all writing? I hope all of you are writing. Yes? Who is giving me the answer? Yes. Okay, I'll be calling some person so that I couldn't find the same person. Abel, come on, Abel. Abel, come on, do the 12th word for me, Abel. I did not. Yes.
Some
Yes. S dash. Yes. S dash UND. So what we have to do there?
sound.
Yes, sound. Which letter? Come on, tell me the letter.
Oh,
O, very good. It is O, very good. It is O. So the vowel O has to be inserted there. Okay. SOUND, sound. Okay, is that clear to all of you? Please do write it. I can see that many of you are writing. Okay, see that you do it now. All of you turn on your videos, okay? I hope all of you have finished. Have you all finished? Yes? Shiza, come on, Shiza. Do the 13th word. Shiza, are you there? Shiza?
yeah.
Yes, do the 13th word. Can you see it? P dash P. Ah,
P-I-L.
yes, P. Which letter here, Shiza? P.
U.
U. Very good. P U it is. Okay, it is P U. Very good. So it is P U P I L. Pupil. Pupil. Okay, pupil means student. Pupil. Yes, very good. Yes. Are all of you writing? Now let's move on to the 14th word. If all have finished, let's move on to it. Elroy, come on, Elroy. Yes, do the 14th word.
S-T-A-N-D.
Yes,
Stand.
S-T-A-N-D, stand. Very good. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Yes, very good. Yes, T-A-N-D, stand. Yes. Children, please do write it. Write it neatly, children, in your cursive letters. Okay, it's just a matter of one letter, but see that you write it neatly in the space provided for you. Okay, I hope so. We'll do one or two more words before we wind up today's session. Aman Babu, come on, Aman. Aman? Yes, do the 15th word, Aman. Yes, T-E. Which letter here, Aman? T-E? It's not audible to me. Yes, T-E. Which letter? T-E? A, very good. A it is. Okay, T-E-A-C-H. Okay, T-E-A-C-H. Teach. Yes, teach. Write it. T-E-A-C-H. Teach. Okay. T-E-A-C-H. Now, Evelyn Maria, have you finished? Now let's move on to the 16th word. Evelyn, can you unmute it, Evelyn? Yes? Yes, can we move on to the next word now? Yes. All of you turn on your videos, children. Yes, Sai Krishna. Yes, Jeffreyon, come on. Are you there? Yes, unmute it. Jeffreyon was not there. Okay, Hala Sharon, are you there? Hala? Yes, do the 16th word for me. Hala? Hala? Yes, Hala, could you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So come on, we'll do the 16th word. 16th word, Hala.
Teeth.
Yes, it's teeth. So which letter we have to insert here? T. Come on, spell out the word. T. T.
Letter.
Yes, I couldn't hear you.
E.
Yes, it's E. T-E-E-T-H. Okay. T-E. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
I hope all of you have finished. Now let's move on to one more word, 17th one. Yes, Hadi, are you there? Hadi, come on, we'll do the 17th word. Hadia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can do the 17th word. Come on. C-L. C-L. Come on, Hadia. It is E-N. So which letter has been inserted there?
C-L-A.
Ah.
C-E-L.
C-L-E.
A-N.
A-N. Very good. C-L-E-A-N. Okay. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Very good. Okay. I hope all of you are writing. Now, Avish, come on, Avish. We'll finish off with the 18th word. Okay, which is the 18th word here? Come on. Read the 18th word for me. Read the 18th word for me. Yes, I couldn't hear you. Yes. Devash, come on. Do the 18th word. I couldn't hear you. Devash? Devash? Devash is not there. Yes, Devash, can you do the 18th word? 18th word, Devash. Yes? It is dirt. Very good. It is dirt. D-I-R-T. So which letter has to be inserted there? I. Okay. I hope all of you have finished this. Have all of you finished it? Yes? Yes? Have all of you completed it? So we have finished with page 1. Okay, we have finished almost 18 words in it. So here we have understood that the vowels help consonant in order to make readable words. Okay, so vowels and consonant should be linked together in order to make readable words. Okay, so let's wind up today's session. I hope all of you have understood. I wanted all of you to complete from exercise that is B from 1 to 18, okay, in your workbook. So with this, we are going to wind up today's session, children. Bye-bye, all of you. Thank you all. Thank you, children.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Bye-bye, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.